Hello everyone, this is Gigi from 𝗃𝗏 Life and I have an unboxing video for you guys. So this is actually an unboxing requested by one of my client friends because this is actually sold to her, and I'm currently in London and she wanted me to do a true unboxing video so she can see it because it's her first Chanel. So everyone, congratulations to her. You know who you are. I don't know if you want me to mention your name, so I might just not say it for now, but you know who you are. And I'm very excited that I was able to help her get this beautiful classic piece from Chanel as her first official Chanel item, and I mean first Chanel bag. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous, and this is from the 18S collection. So let's go ahead. It comes, well, let's see. So it comes in this beautiful packaging, Chanel packaging as usual, with the magnetic box. So let's take, I'm going to start doing the unboxing. It comes with this beautiful camellia flower with the ribbon. Okay, so let's go ahead. Oh, and then, let me see, just to show her. So obviously it came with a Chanel bag, beautiful, with a camellia flower, and she will be getting it too. Actually, I might give her a bigger one, depending. But yes, it came in the, because that bag was a little small. So, but it did come with a Chanel bag. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and see what this is. Okay, so packaged beautifully as usual. Okay, let me try to, I don't want to ruin it. Try to be very careful. Okay, ooh, I did good. Okay, whoa, okay, this one is like seriously packed in. Okay. Alrighty then. Ooh, so it came with this dust bag, this beautiful 𝗏𝗏 dust bag, very pretty, and ooh, it's so pretty. So as you guys can see, it is a Chanel mini flap and the square rectangular hardware. Square rectangular. Okay, so I'm currently in London in my room and I'm doing this video at like, what is it, 2 a.m.? Yeah, actually like 2:30 a.m. So excuse my shaking arms and maybe unclear slurry words. I just want to make sure I get this to her as soon as possible so she can see them. Okay. Ooh. Absolutely gorgeous. Oops. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Okay, this person was very serious with their packaging. Oh no, I still have to do it. Okay. Alright, let me try to be gentle. There's a lot of package. Let's see. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna keep that for now. Let's just check out the bag, okay? So it is absolutely gorgeous. So gorgeous. Let's see, let's turn it, open it up, and it is, I remember it was made in Italy. Yep, made in Italy. So this bag is so beautiful. It's in a dark beige. It's a classic square mini flap in dark beige caviar leather with light gold hardware. And I think it's absolutely stunning. It's just so, so beautiful. I think for the previous seasons, it's been coming out as, I think I see like lighter beige with silver hardware. And I think the gold hardware with the beige is just, I don't know, it looks like perfection. And you can literally wear this with anything possible. I think it's a true classic color, and I think my client friend did an excellent choice choosing this as her first bag, because I think you guys all know I'm a true lover of Chanel, and especially Chanel mini flaps. And the reason why I highly recommend them, as I mentioned before, is because I think they're extremely versatile. You could wear crossbody, over the shoulder, and they have the classic look. I always recommend in caviar leather, and it's a lower price point. You know, again, nothing is really cheap in Chanel, but it is a much lower price point compared to the medium classic flaps, right? So, and I frankly, I have the classic flaps, and I just prefer, I always gravitate towards my mini flaps. So I think it's just because it's so adorable, and just the versatility, it's just, you can't beat it. And I do think that because it's smaller, it's easier for me to protect it, and I also feel more comfortable wearing it out. I think those are some of the reasons why, you know, I highly, highly recommend and love Chanel mini flaps. And here's the Mona Lisa back pocket. It's so cute. So you could put like cards in here. I don't like to stretch it too much, but I do put like some cards in there. So I think it's really, really cute. So this bag didn't come with the price tag, because again, the policy in Europe, for most places, they take away the tags. So unlike US, a lot of times they would keep it or let us keep it. In Europe, they're likely to take it. I think 95% of the time they take it. So I'm not surprised. And actually, they cut it right in front of me, and they put it on the sheet of paper and they stick it. I think that's how they like record, you know, the sale or something like that. I'm not really sure. So it's their it is their store policy though. So let's see. Okay. Check it out over here. So it comes with the here's the care booklet. Okay, it is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, sorry, I'm talking about the bag. It's just so pretty. So it comes with the cleaning cloth, which I'll teach her how to use, and here's the pamphlet. Okay, so this bag was purchased in London, and again, I am currently a personal shopper for any luxury goods that you might be interested. One cool thing that I can do for you guys is that I travel a lot. If you follow me on my Instagram, you would know. I currently actually live back and forth from UK, London, and US. So, I mean UK and US, right? So, I'm often able to find a lot of unicorn pieces in Europe, because I travel a lot in Europe. And also between Europe and US, they actually have very different stock. So I actually have client friends all around the world, because everyone kind of have a little bit different stock. And again, everything I sell is definitely 100% authentic. You will always have proof of purchase of something, okay? Either a copy of a receipt, or original receipt, or gift receipt. And it's just, for all the brand new items. And then so, you know, everything I sell and own myself is 100% guaranteed. And if you guys have any requests, any wish list item, feel free to direct message me at 𝗃_Life on Instagram if you haven't followed me already, and which I hope you guys do. And again, actually, so recently I just had, now I almost have 2,500 followers. And when I I wanted to do a giveaway when I passed the 2,000, but then from 2,000 to 2,500, it's like pretty quickly. And I plan on doing a giveaway video soon. I'll give you guys more details later on. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what to do, but I just want to show my appreciation for you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos and also following me on Instagram. And I do have a lot of very, very awesome and sweet client friends that are always, you know, supporting me. And honestly, a lot of them are just friends with me now. It's just, I love it. It's great to have people, you know, to talk handbags with and luxury goodies with, right? So I really appreciate you guys letting me share, and I'm very, very excited for my client friend for choosing this, as she's gonna have this as her first bag, and I think it's just absolutely perfect. I'm so excited for her. I personally really love this color combo. I'm very tempted to get one for myself. I don't know, I'm still thinking, but if I can even find another one, that's another thing. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Oh, sorry, by the way, if you guys have any requests, again, you can email it to me too at 𝗃𝗏𝗄𝗏life@gmail.com. Alrighty, thank you guys so much, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye.